Hello everyone, welcome to another beautiful video. This is your girl Oju Olakpe Space. You're right on to today's video. Today I'm just going to take you to the market and show what 1,000 naira can actually cook for myself and just two of my kids. Let's see if 1,000 naira can take us anywhere. If you're watching me for the very first time, you're welcome to Oju Olakpe Space. My name remains Oju Olakpe Space. I'm a content creator. I live in Ibadan. Tony subscriber, I say thank you for always coming around to support my video. I say may the Lord God bless you. So let's ride on to today's video, and please don't forget to subscribe, watch this video to the end and support my YouTube channel. So let's ride on to Ibadan market and see if 1,000 naira can take us anywhere to cook anything in this time in Nigeria, because the cost of things is really on air high side. And let's see where 1,000 naira can take us to. Let's move to the market. So I'm actually trying to get a bus to get my video now. You know, it's not easy filming outside. A lot of people just be asking you, what are you doing? But this one, me, I go wear my boldness. Like say I never know the person they wash me. So let's ride on as we continue to move to the market. I'm getting my Garri first, and this Garri is going for 300 naira per Congo. This is our Congo. The blue bowl is the Congo that we use here in Ibadan. Bowl is the standard measurement bowl we use in the market, so it is called Congo here in Ibadan. So I have my panla fish here. The panla fish, the one at the front, that is the one of 3 layers, is going for 400 naira, while the ones at the back is going for 200 naira. It also it comes in 4 pieces or 3 pieces. I'm going for the one of 200 naira for my soup. I'm getting my palm oil. This palm oil, I'm buying the palm oil. She sells the quarter for 80 naira, so I asked her to add it up to make up 100 naira, because I can't be collecting 20 naira change. So the palm oil I'm buying the palm oil of 100 naira. Be using hot pepper. This hot pepper is going for 15 naira. I have my Ponmo here. I have the big ones here. I have the shredded one down, so I'm going for the shredded one. The shredded one, the one down, is going for 100 naira. So she just pack it like that. It's much, so it's going for 100 naira. That is this Ponmo. So I'm buying the 100 naira Ponmo. Getting my okra. The okra I'm using, this okra is being sold for 100 naira. That is 50 naira. So I'm buying 2. Though the 100 naira okra is so much, but I just felt I should buy 2 because I might want to use the other type. But the okra I'm getting is 100 naira okra, and it's so much. I love my locust beans in my soup, so I'm buying 50 naira locust beans. My Garri here to make my eba, so we are going to ride on to make our eba and okra soup. This is my Ponmo. So the Ponmo is washed. For my seasoning, I like using Tera crayfish. Now for my salt, I did mention earlier, I bought the salt 50 naira, the measured one. And the palm oil, I bought the palm oil for 100 naira. So this goes for 100 naira as well. My iru, it's 50 naira. This iru goes for 50 naira. My fish goes for 200 naira. While my pepper goes for 50 naira also. We have 50 naira pepper in Ibadan. So going to my okra is going for 100 naira. Though I couldn't finish it. This is my okra. This is my okra. I've grated my okra. I grate it with a grater. To I don't like using my knife to chop for my okra. I like it when it's so slimy, so I just grate it. It helps to make the slimy so obvious. Then I have my dry fish, the one I bought, so I have to firstly make sure I wash them, then I shred them to make sure that everything is well clean. So I have here my shredded kpala fish and my washed Ponmo. Like I told you, I like putting Ponmo in my okra soup. So this is my Ponmo. This my pot now on it. So I added water to boil. So I'm going to boil my water first before adding the okra. So I cover it. I make sure that I bring the water to boil. So when the water has boiled, I will add my grate okra. This is the okra that have been grated. So I'm going to add my okra inside the boiling water. Then at the same time, I'm going to be adding my pepper, my grounded pepper. This is pepper that has been grate. I grate it. I didn't grind it. I just grate the pepper and add my pepper. So after adding the pepper, I'll just try as much as possible to make sure that I mix them together. You don't just leave them. You know, some side is going to get ready and some side is not going to. And you know, the okra is so slimy. So I try as much as possible to make sure that I mix everything together. Then I cover it. After leaving it for 3 minutes, it has started boiling. That is the okra and the pepper. So I still try to mix them thoroughly so that they can mix very well. At this point, I'm going to check, and after some few minutes, my okra and my pepper, they have started boiling and it's getting ready. You can see it's different from when I added it. It has changed. The color of the okra has changed and the pepper itself. So at this point, it is ready to start adding my orishi. I added my orishi. If you love okra like myself, you can just write in the comment section if you are okra lover. Yes, let us know, those of us that loves okra so much. So at this point, I had my Ponmo. So if I add my Ponmo early, it's not going to melt away inside my okra. I had my Ponmo and I had my mala fish at this time. Note, I'm not adding my palm oil now and I'm not adding any other thing. Just the pepper, the okra, my fish, and my Ponmo. That is all I'm adding for now. And I'm going to bring them to boil and mix together. So I'm still going to cover and allow them to boil together. Please do well to subscribe, share my video, and like as we ride on with our okra soup. So now I'm going to add my locust beans. Now for my locust beans, I'm not washing, I'm not rinsing. A lot of people, they get their locust beans direct like this from the market, and they'll firstly pour it inside water, wash away all the nutrients, and you'll be left with just the seed, and you now start cooking with it. No, I don't do that. Immediately I'm buying direct from the market, it is well preserved. That's why you have to, when you're buying it, observe where you're buying it from. Then I'm going to add it direct. Then the next thing I'm going to be adding now, I'm adding my seasoning. I'm going to seasoning it. So I'm using my Tera. I love Tera mangi. I don't know why. I just like the taste. I like it. So, and this is Tera crayfish. I'm not using Tera beef or chicken. So I love Tera crayfish. So it's very tasty. I love it in my soup. So I'm using Tera for my okra soup. It's boiling so well now. So at this point, I'll allow everything to boil thoroughly and mix, because I love my okra really getting soft. So the next thing is, you can notice I'm going to add salt almost, because everything is ready. So almost at the end of my cooking, I'm adding salt. I don't add salt at the beginning, and I'll make sure that
if you add salt at the beginning, the slimy is going to go away. And you know what me I enjoy for this soup now as it dey draw. So now like, and the next thing I'm going to be adding my palm oil. My palm oil is going to be the last ingredient I'm adding to my okra.
Eléyìí la máa ń pè ní ilá alásèpọ̀. Ilá alásèpọ̀ ṣọkọyọkọ̀tọ̀.
See, it's bringing out the beautiful taste of okra soup. We call it ila alasepo. So you can tell us how well you enjoy your ila alasepo. Do you like using this fish, using Ponmo like I do, or you just like cooking it just like that? This is what I prepare with my 1,000 naira. This is ila alasepo, okra soup, and eba. Thank you so much for watching today's video. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and share. Till I see you in my next video. Bye.